Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review video, which I haven't done like a true sit down, full traditional YouTube review in a hot minute. So without further ado, let's get into it. The review is of this Chanel passport holder wallet. This is something that I picked up in 24p, but it is also something that has still been available in the more recent collections, just in different colors. Mine is in caviar leather in the light pink color. I want to say I paid $900 for this. It might be a little bit more expensive now. Mine has silver hardware and it is just this little bifold tiny wallet. Now, what is special about this wallet, besides it being like pink and Chanel and is that it's actually a passport holder. So your passport can slip in right here. It fits 4 cards here, but you could fit more on the side. And for a second, I was like, is there something back there? There's like this, I like the secret, I don't know, kind of secret, but like more hidden card holder here. There's another one here. There's a zip pouch here where you could put coins or other currency. Sometimes like these zip pouches are really helpful to me. Like for example, if I wanted to take my rings off, like I think this is a really great place to store like your wedding bands, wedding rings, while you like go to a spa or get a nail service or something like that. I like that it's like closed and as a part of your wallet and all that. So it is a full, I mean, I guess it's not really a full-sized wallet in the fact that it's like a bifold, right? Because the bills go back here. I have like some bills in here. Technically, yeah, a bifold wallet. I also like if you aren't traveling internationally and do not need your passport, this actually would work as like a little notebook holder because these passports are the same size as like the mini Moleskine journals that they sell, and so you can get like a little notebook the same size as this wallet and just fold it in there, and it just like fits perfectly and securely. I used this while traveling in Europe, and the reason why you would really want something like this as opposed to a card holder, you know, normally day to day, I love a card holder. I'm like basic. I don't need that much. I don't need that many cards. I just like, you know, couple cards, my ID, my roadside assistance card, like my insurance card, whatever, and keeping it as compact as possible, just like it simplifies life. I carry my bills in like a little change purse, but I don't really use cash that much. But when you're traveling, especially traveling in Europe, having cash currency is really useful, especially if you're taking taxis or even if you're taking public transportation. I feel like sometimes just like putting 20 euro on your like subway pass is like easier than trying to like scan your card at the machine or something like that. But the reason why a card holder doesn't really work when you're around shopping in Europe, especially luxury shopping, is because when you go to the luxury shops, you're going to need to present your passport to do the D-tax, to get the tax back. And so like, I don't know, like I've actually made the mistake before where I've been out and wanted to buy something and they're like, passport please, and I didn't have it. They have to take down all your info. So then I went back to the hotel and then I had to go back and like purchase it, and it was like troublesome. I think like, I don't know, for me, my like common wisdom says like, don't carry your passport around. You don't want it on your person because you don't want to get robbed and lose it, but you do need it while you're shopping. And so this makes it really convenient. It stays all in one spot. It's actually like a pretty compact size for what it is. Like I didn't find it too bulky. At the time I was using the matching mini backpack that I got to go with it. I've since ended up selling that bag because just like the backpack feature of the bag didn't really work for me. It, you know, it was like, it wasn't a backpack, it wasn't a bag. I probably would have kept it if it had been like a mini or just like a regular crossbody bag, but because it was a backpack, it didn't work. But that was a very small in size and this fit in perfectly. I think this, well, let me just grab a mini really quick. Where's the closest mini? Looking around. Okay, let me grab a mini really quick and I'll be back to finish the review. Sorry, it's been so long that I'm like out of practice for like how to even do a review video. So here you can see is my Caviar Mini, and this passport wallet fits perfectly inside. You could still fit your phone, probably like a lip gloss, a pair of sunglasses. It does take up a lot of the bag, but honestly, so would just like a card holder and your passport, and then your passport would be loose. And I don't really love that. Love that for me. Oh, here, I have like all this stuff in here. We could just pack it. Okay. So this is a phone battery, but it's kind of the same size as a phone. And this is the passport wallet. And then I think I have a lip in here. This lip combo is so good. This is the Pure Hollywood Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet, and then Turkish Delight from NARS. So good. Oh my gosh, everything in here is pink. I love it. So you can see it all fits perfectly in the mini. Here. So you have the lip gloss, the cell phone, and the full-size wallet. Versus like this teeny tiny card holder. It's maybe like double the size. Maybe it's the size of 4 card holders with all of the extra bulk. Alternatively, let me put it in the 22. Although there's a bunch of other stuff in here. Okay, we don't need that. And it fits perfectly in the 22. You can just see there's like the stand-in phone, like a million pieces of nougat, hand sanitizer, lip gloss, and then this little wallet passport holder. So overall, would I recommend this item? Yes, especially for international travel. I think for everyday use, it's a little bit big for me. It's a little bit bulky. It's a little bit much. But I feel like if you have to bring your passport with you anyway, this is kind of like the ideal way to do it. I'm not super comfortable like just having this loosey-goosey in my bag. Like it feels so secure in the holder. Like even if I like tuck it into the back pocket here. Ooh, I don't love that. I don't know. She doesn't feel as like protected as maybe she should be. I just feel like this is such a, I don't know. It is like, you know, if it's your wallet and your passport and everything, you do have to be super protective of this piece, right? Because then it's like, okay, now everything's all together. But I think being super protective of like one bigger piece versus like, oh, my wallet's over here, my passport's over here, like all the little miscellaneous that I do during every day, this just works a lot better. So anyway, this is a short and sweet review of this item. So if you were thinking about it, I recommend it. It's great because it's like caviar leather. They also make it in like black, which is like a more understated, you know, sort of under the radar color. But you know me, I love pink. And even though the bag in this color didn't end up working out for me, having it in an SLG kind of works really sweet. And you can see like I love like all of my little pink objects. So when it's all together in like 16 different shades of pink, it actually ends up looking really cute. See, and like that just makes me happy to have like all of this in my bag. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please give it a thumbs up if it was, and then otherwise I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.